Good morning and Saira to all the students. Welcome back in your social science online class. So student, today we are going to start our lesson number 5 of the history what books and burial tell us part 2. In part 1 we had covered some of the topic of this chapter which we will do a small recall which we will remember with a small recall, and afterwards we'll start with the new topic. So in the previous session basically we read about the four main books, or we can say the four main Vedas: Rig Veda, Samved, Yajurved and Atharved. And as I told you about that, Veda means knowledge, and Rig Veda is one of the oldest Veda in our civilization, and it is composed about 3500 years ago. Especially Veda includes the hymns, which means suktas, which is in praise of God and goddess. Basically in Rig Veda we have three special gods: Agni, the god of fire; Indra, the god of warrior; Soma, a plant from which a special drink was prepared. So this was a small recall from your session 1 of lesson number 5. Now, as I told you, in Rig Veda the, the prayers are of cattle, children and horses, and it was a conversation between the Muni and the river. And now we will talk about the people, how the people of that time. So the people were divided into two groups, and they divided in groups according to their work. Priest or Brahmin, Raja, they did not have capital, city, places or armies. As I told you in the previous session also, that time there was not assembled a army. The people, the warriors, the brave people, they assemble and they go for a battles. The things which they fought for money, sometimes they fought for land, sometimes for others for superiority. And the rajas, basically raja will take care of these things. So as I told you about the people of those time, community is described as Jana and Vish. So there the community is described as Jana and Vish. The word Vaishyav come from Vish. The word, now as you know, there are four main castes. So in that caste, one of the caste is Vaishyav, and Vaishyav word come from Vish, which is means Jana. Vish or Jana are mentioned by name Purajana and Bharata Vish. The hymns composed by the people Aryans and their opponents were Dasas. Basically, it is said that the hymns composed by the Aryans. So, this is something about Jana, Vish and Aryans. Now, next topic is story of megalith. Now, stone bronzes are known as megalith. Basically, these are some symbols or which made up of stone, single stones. These are carefully arranged by the people and used to mark the burial sites. Now, what are burial sites? As you know, megaliths are used to mark, they are assembled as the mark of the burial site. Now, what are burials? Burials are the basically a place where the people can capture or dig their loved ones. So burial of woman and infant, Harappa. So basically the archaeologists found the evidence of the burials of women and infant at Harappa. This burial was disturbed in the antique, possibly by ancient. Now this is a picture of one of the burial. Beside the fact that the body is flipped and the poetry disturbed, the left arm of the woman is broken and shell bangles that would normally be found on the left arm are missing. The infant was buried in a small pit beneath the legs of the mother. So this is one of the evidence from the Harappa site to show the burial of a woman or a infant. As I told you, the body was placed inside the wooden coffin which later decayed and embroidered in the rectangular plate surrounded with the burial offering in poetry vessel. So this is something they are describing about the burials of that time. The man was buried wearing a necklace of 340 graduated steelets, 3 gold beads, a single copper bead was found at his waist. So according to the evidence, they were telling you about what they found in the burial of the man and woman. People usually put something with their loved ones. Common feature of burial place: the dead were buried with the distinct pots. Now we are telling you this, that dead were buried with these things like distinct pots which are called black and red ware, skeleton horse ornaments, some tools are also found. As I told you, the people of previous time were believed in the birth after death, so they used to put some stuffs with their loved ones which they thought will help in they help that person after the death. So these were the things which commonly found in as the evidence in the burial sites. Now what is the social difference? So in Brahmagiri, one skeleton was found with 33 old beads, 2 stone bead, 4 copper bangles, and other are not having any ornament. What are the social difference? With the help of these two examples, the archaeologists were trying to tell you that yes, during that time also the people have social differences, because in one of the burial the archaeologists found a skeleton with 33 old beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles, and other skeleton are not having any ornament. This shows social status. Some megaliths contain more than one skeleton. Stone circle or boulders served as a sign pot to find the burial site. So yes, during that time also the people were affected with the social difference. A special burial at Inam Gaon. Yes, Inam Gaon is one of the best example to see the burial site and the special burial at Inam Gaon. You can find all the topics in your NCERT book of lesson number 5. It is a site on the river Gaon, a tributary of the river Bhima. Here adults were buried in the ground, sometimes buried were within the houses. Vessels with food and water were placed with the dead. One burial vessel with 4-legged clay jar was found in the courtyard of a 5-roomed house. So as I told you that people of that time believed in birth after death, so they used to put some food item along with the water with their loved ones. So here as I told you that they put some food and water were placed with the dead. Now I'm showing you one picture here. This is a picture. You can see the burial, the shape of the burial is rectangular, and you can see there this is one of the type of example of the burial site. Now, what is the occupation at Inam Gaon? Basically, the occupation of the Inam Gaon was agriculture and animal. Basically, they used to grow wheat, barley, because both are used as their food. Ber, amla, jamun, dates also were the fruits which they used for the food. Now, about animal, buffalo, goat, sheep were the animal reared which they used to rear. As I told you in your previous chapters also, that there was a journey of the early man from hunter to a gatherer, and afterwards he became a farmer. So they also started rearing of animals because they know animals are a very good source of food, and they also started doing agriculture because they know how to start growing the plants, so they become a good farmer also. So agriculture and animal rearing becomes a occupation for maximum people of that time. So this is all about your chapter number 5, because as the chapter name is books and burial, so we had covered our topic about books, means our 4 main important Vedas, and as I told you about the burial sites, what is a different type of burial sites, what things they used to put with their loved ones, why is there any difference in their social appearance. Yes, some people are rich, some are ordinary. I told you about the Vish, Jana and Aryans. I told you about the different beads, and basically the Vedas, in Vedas there are hymns, and it is like a dialogue or conversation between two person. For example, it is a conversation between the Muni and the 2 rivers in the Rig Veda. So this chapter is all about books and burial. So student, as I told you that your exams will start with the 21st of September. So start reading, start learning, as the objective type question paper will come. So what you have to do, read the chapter thoroughly, see the video of each chapter again and again, try to learn, learn the facts about these things. Basically in history, learn the facts, learn the dates, learn the archaeological sites, learn the main points of the chapter. So what you can do for this, you can read the chapter, you can underline the chapter, you can make the questions of one word yourself. Please start learning at home. Sai Ram students.